3.6 magnitude earthquake strikes near Lucerne Valley. A 3.6 magnitude earthquake struck the Cushenbury area, just 5 miles southeast of Lucerne Valley. The quake happened around 6:40 p.m. According to the U.S. Geological Survey, Lucerne Valley is a census-designated place and valley landform located in the southern Mojave Desert, within western San Bernardino County, California.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.